Hey, what's happening? This is JG with Kuryakyn, and today we are going to talk about our 100% waterproof RF-welded Tørke dry bags. So whether you're riding a motorcycle, ATV, UTV, kayaking down the river, whatever your weapon of choice is for adventure, the Tørke collection has a bag for you. So quick overview of what's offered in the Tørke collection. We do have dual and solo pannier options. We have a duffel bag option. We have a tank style bag option that does have a magnetic base and a full strap kit. We also have a couple rifle case options and a universal backpack. Starting from the top with the most important feature, all of these bags again are going to be 100% waterproof. They all feature RF-welded PVC construction, and they're all equipped with Submersible IPX7-rated zippers with lockable pulls. So what you're going to notice is as you close these zippers, they do take a little bit of force to pull and close, and that's because they are self-sealing. So when you get them closed, you're going to have a nice watertight seal covering the entire length of the zipper. Now again, all of these bags, really with the exception of the rifle case, are going to be able to mount on a variety of vehicles. And all of them are going to include a mounting strap kit that let you do so. No brackets are going to be required for panniers, and all of these bags are going to include plenty of straps to give you a variety of options. And each Tørke bag is going to have multiple MOLLE loop points to give you a wide range of options throughout the mounting straps. Another cool feature that's going to come standard on all Tørke bags, with the exception of the rifle case, is the hi-vis internal support structure. Now what that's going to do is provide shape retention and also make it easier to see anything being stored inside the bag. Some of those internal structures on select bags will also feature integrated hook and loop storage pouches for small item storage. In addition to the small pouches, you'll also find a variety of internal and external storage pockets on most Tørke bags to help keep gear neatly organized. Another important feature worth noting is the integrated air purge valves. These are key in helping minimize space, allowing you to shrink the bag down closer to the size of its internal contents for any given trip. And they also provide buoyancy, a perk that makes the bags ideal for boating, canoeing, or even kayaking. Select Tørke bags like the panniers and duffel also include additional accessories like a removable shoulder strap and cargo nets for exterior storage. So again, regardless of what your weapon of choice is for adventure, ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, kayaks, the Tørke line is going to have something that can meet your needs and your style. If you got any more questions, hit us in the comments, shoot us a note, or find out more at Kuryakyn.com.